Yo, what's up guys? So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Pinas. So, I just woke up. So, ayun, nag-coffee na ako. Ayan. Coffee na ako. Naubos ko na yung coffee. Nescafe, ubos na. So, ayun yung gamit ko. Yan. So, tapos yan. Shoes, ito yung gagamitin ko ngayon. Ito pa rin yung gagamitin kong pants ngayon. Tapos ito shoes. So, I pack all my things. After this, mamaya, I'm preparing na. So, bibihis tayo. So, today, we are going to Australia. It's my flight today. Pero mamaya pa, mga kapaps. So, ito nga pala yung, yung bedroom ko dito sa Pilipinas. So, ayan. This is all my phone, my charger, my cabinets. So yun, medyo small tour ko lang kayo dito. Tapos ito lang, ito yung condo dito sa Fame, ang ganda. Maliit lang siya, pero kung gusto niyo mag-staycation, kontakin niyo lang ako. Endorse ko kayo sa brother ko. So yun, at kung gusto niyo bumili dito sa Fame condo, grabe ang ganda. Sobra, sosyalin. So ngayon, ito lang yung iiwan ko. Ayan, yung ibang damit ko kasi sa Australia, malamig. So basically, lagi lang ako naka-winter jacket doon. So, ito mga t-shirt, iniwan ko muna to dito. So, hindi ko na yan dadalhin. So, I'm just watching my vlog. Wala mag-watch yun, so baka mamaya mag-breakfast lang ako with my brother mamaya. So ayan, so nag-chill lang ako, nood lang muna. Medyo nag-adjust pa ako sa time, mga kapaps, kasi iba yung timings dito sa Pilipinas. So 4 hours difference kung pag sa Dubai, so mas advanced dito. So ayun, mga kapaps, so we are going to Australia today. So Pascal, see you tomorrow sa Australia. So susundo ko nga pala sa amin sa airport si Pascal. So from my cousin place in Victoria, so going to airport, I guess it's 2 hours driving papunta, tapos pabalik 2 hours. So thank you, Pascal. So and then the next day, yung sobrang bait ni Pascal. The next day, so meron siyang race. So mag-watch kami. Actually, pupunta pala kami doon kasama ko sister ko. So mag-watch kami ng race ni Pascal. So see you soon, Pascal, tomorrow.
Later.
So ayun na, fly na kami. First time with my sis. Yeah.
Good day, mate.
So see you soon, mate.
Later.
So guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Australia, Victoria. So si Pascal nagpagas lang, so nagbayad. So my cousin, hi. So my cousin and my sister and Pascal there. So dito lang tayo sa gasoline station, self-service. So lawak ng road, oh. Ganda dito. Fresh. So, ayun. Unleaded diesel. Ayan ang presyo ng unleaded diesel. Oh. Sarap dito mag-walk.
A few inches later.
Yo, what's up guys? So, ay gising lang. So, mag-coffee tayo. So, painit tayo ng water. Then, timpla tayo ng coffee. Then, punta tayo ng baso. Right. Yan. Diba, tayo ng coffee ngayon para at least mamaya hindi nasasakit yung tiyan natin. So, saan yung ano, kutsara? Saan ba yung kutsara? Yun. Sip na tayo ng coffee. Coffee. Sip lang muna tayo ng coffee. Ganda mag-coffee muna tayo ngayon para mamaya gising tayo. Tapos milk, kunin natin yung milk. Let's grab a milk. Kunin natin yung milk. So, yan lang ang buhay dito sa Australia. So, walang ibang mag-aasikaso sa'yo dito, kundi ikaw lang. So, ayan na. Tikman natin yung milk kung okay na. Yo, what's up? This is our race car. He will use it. Pascal tomorrow. Oh, there's another garage there.
Let me take a picture of your car. So we have it.
Oh, the billiards. Billiards.
You have a lot of spaces. Yeah, so we haven't finished taking this out.
Say hello. Now, where are we going? Because
We're going to Woolworths.
all right, so we'll buy some stuff from Ate Jane.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then
Okay.
put your seatbelts on.
Seatbelts on?
Door is still open.
Open. So, oh my God, how can I? So now we're on our way to supermarket. So my cousin's Robin. Now.
You stupid.
Yes. So this is our second day here in the Victoria, Australia. So first we're gonna cook first, and then we will eat, and then after that we'll just in the late afternoon, so we're gonna walk with the dogs. Yes, of course we before we leave we need to experience the KFC Australia and McDonald's.
Eat slowly so you can eat a lot.
Yeah.
While you're there.
Of
Eat
course.
just little bits.
We never know what if I finish and cook this apretada, maybe I'll eat a lot.
Yeah. Stop saying it. I'm already salivating.
It's okay, just
Do you put paste? Is that the one where you put paste as well, or paste?
tomato. No, I'm not putting, just original.
Yeah. What original?
Original apretada, Lola original
Yeah, the
apretada.
kamatis.
Yeah, just only kamatis, but I'm not putting tomato sauce.
And also with the tomato, you're not hiwa. What do you call that in English? Hindi hinihiwa yun, nilalapirot.
Slicing.
No, because for me, ginigisa ko eh. So, hindi ko nilalapirot. Nilalapirot ko lang if I'm mechado. Yeah. But, because I need to gisa-gisa, I don't know how they call it in English, gisa-gisa. So,
You stupid.
don't worry, this is our...
Saute.
Don't worry, this is my second day. So, probably if 2 months, 3 months, so...
The train station is just there.
Dito lang yun, nakita ko.
Oh, okay.
So it's really close.
Ayan o.
Alright.
Here o.
Yeah.
Okay.
At saka wala masyado
train station. So tomorrow, diyan kami pupunta.
Pwede pala yung lakarin.
Train station. So me and my sister, so we're going to city.
Save your energy when you're in the city because it's a lot of walking when you're in the city.
Yung dito, picture-picture tayo.
Yeah, of course. Kahit saan dyan. Naka-ready nga yung... Actually, I'm trying to edit my video. At least I can download to my YouTube. At
Do you
least
have, did you bring your laptop? Or?
No, I'm just editing on my phone. Yeah.
May laptop ako doon, edit mo.
No, I have an editor in my phone now, yeah. That's what they do, most of the vloggers.
Sino kami dito para, syempre diba, yung...
A few inches later.
So, bread, vanilla, banana. Too much bread. We're shopping, supermarket, so we're having at least we are later we're gonna have some chocolates and some junk food while we're chilling out. And Ate Jeng, she has work, so probably while she's on duty, she has bread and junk foods.
Lemon or low sugar iced tea, that's peach.
Which one is better?
Peach is nice.
Just get lemon and peach.
Peach.
Lemon lang.
Yeah.
Yeah, just get lemon and peach.
Okay.
Anything else new?
No, I'm good.
You good?
Yes. I'm good with the crunch and
favorite crunch.
so before we leave, let's go back. We need to go back here to buy crunch, more crunch.
Later.
Yo, yo, yo! So kasama natin ang sister natin. Yeah. Maglalakad-lakad lang kami para pinaka-exercise na rin namin to. Yo. Outfit check. Outfit check. Sister, outfit check. Saan tayo pupunta? Where are we going? So we're trying to find McDonald's nearby here in Victoria. So because I want to try McDonald's Australia, of course, and KFC as well, right? How about you, sis?
Yeah, McDo Australia.
So, ganyan talaga pag mga turista, first time mga ganito, ma-video, yan. So, I remember that runabout, you know. So, tingnan natin kung makakarating tayo ng McDonald's. At least we can have a sundae and some burgers price. So ayun, lakad-lakad lang kami. Ganun talaga pag mga turista, diba? Hindi na mawawala sa mga Pilipino yan, sa mga Pilipinos turista dito. Saan na ba tayo, sis? Sakto yan, pag nakarating tayo ng McDonald's, kain tayo, tapos uwi, di ba? Tulog na. So ayun, tomorrow nga pala,
We're going to the city.
Ate Jeng and I, we are going to Sydney, Australia. I don't know where exactly it is. Is it Sydney or no?
Hindi, Melbourne.
Melbourne, yeah, because as far as I know, Sydney is 10 hours. It's far than Melbourne, so Sydney. So maybe by next year we'll go there because we're only two of us. So by next year we're having our reunion on May next year, 2025. So definitely everybody's going to Sydney, Australia. Ah, English na.
Yeah.
Good day, mate.